Hello and welcome to this presentation on substance use disorder curriculum that was developed by the Center for the Study and Promotion of Communities, Families, and Children and the Florida Higher Education Consortium. This curriculum on substance use disorder contains 15 modules and was funded by a SAMHSA grant. As you can see, this shows an overview of all the modules that are contained within this curriculum. The modules can be used individually or as a whole for a whole course in substance use disorder. Module 1 is your statement of need. Module 2 goes over what is addiction. Module 3 is causes, contributions, and factors. Module 4 is the neuropsychology of addiction. Module 5, Foundations of Substance Use Disorder and Prevention. Module 6, Screening, Diagnosis, Assessments, and Referral. Module 7, Intervention, Treatment, Monitoring, and Case Management. Module 8, Interventions, Treatment, Monitoring, and Case Management continued. Module 9, Recovery Support Services, Individual Recovery, Relapse, Prevention, and Maintenance. Module 10, Ethics of Professional Work within the Persons with Substance Use Disorder. Module 11, Substance Misuse and Families. Module 12, Persons with Co-occurring Disorders and Special Populations. Module 13, Funding of Services. Module 14, Clinical Supervision and Substance Use Counseling. And Module 15, which is not represented here, is our Emerging Trends. This module contains all kinds of new research and information that is coming out, and so this module continues to have information added to it. Now let's look at how you can use these modules. These modules are located within Canvas under the module section. At the top here you will see we have the required course evaluation tools for this grant. SAMHSA requires that we do a collection of the GIPRA for each student and each instructor. So you can find these contained within their own module. Each module has pre-class assignments, a pre-quiz, lecture content, class activity, additional reading and resources either for the instructor or for students as you wish, references, and the module evaluation tools again. At the top of each section, you'll see that there is a module overview. You can click on this in order to get an overview of the entire module. So you'll be able to see the learning objectives, an abstract, the sequence of study within this module, the author of the module, and then a detailed module overview as well. At the end of each module, there's also a section for references. These references are references for the lecture content and references for the entire module. And these can also be downloaded for your additional study. Now let's look at one of our modules. This is one of the lectures that you will find a PowerPoint for. This is Module 3. There's lots of content in these modules, and you can go in and look at the module and edit these as you need. Going back to our module section on Canvas, you'll see at the very end of our module section that there is a special module for our field education. And there is also a module that contains just the PowerPoints. So as instructors, how can you find this information to use in your course? On the left-hand side of your Canvas site, there should be a Commons button for you to click. And when you go into Commons, you'll want to go to the Filter section. From the Filter section, you will want to click the Florida Higher Education, the Florida Substance Use Disorder Higher Education Consortium. This will bring up all the modules. The official modules that you find in this section are the ones with the Florida Higher Education Consortium logo, which is a picture of the state of Florida and all the universities who are part of this joint venture. The other module that you can take advantage of in this section is one that has a picture of the PowerPoint at the front. This is the one that contains all the lectures for you to be able to download. So you can download either the module as a whole and download any of the modules that you would like, or you can download just the PowerPoints. We hope that this has been information that you can use, and if you have any questions at any time, you can reach out to Ellen or Ty. Thank you and hope you have a great day.